So today we're here with Josh and with Miguel, both with JV Paint, and they're our first respondents to our offer of a free project. We're at their job site. We're going to do some texture on the wall on their knockdown. Appreciate you giving us a buzz. We're going to fix you up.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Today we're going to be looking at this wall that's got knockdown all over it. What we're going to do is we're going to be putting texture on these patches that have already been repaired. They're kind of all over this wall, but we're going to shoot texture, knock it down, and then we're going to blend it into the wall. We're going to cover all that today. So today we're going to cover something very special. We are coming out with a brand new product that I'm really excited about. This is a texture bag, but it's filled with dry powder. The reason for that is that we are introducing a product that allows you to mix the texture in the field. We're going to give you the powder in a bag, we're going to give you a universal mixer, and we're going to give you a sleeve to put the water in and pour it in the bag. It's got a specially designed cap that comes off with a second spout on top of it that attaches to your gun. You're going to have the ability to put the water in, mix it up, shoot your texture, and roll paint on it in 20 minutes. So the first thing we're going to do to get prepped and ready to shoot texture is we're going to take the large lid off of the bag and have this ready and open, ready to accept the water once we fill this sleeve with water. We're going to fill this up to within about 3/4 to an inch, right in that area from the top, and that's the perfect amount of water. So now we're going to fill this little sleeve, and it's pretty simple. You just slide your finger down in there, open it up so that you can get the water inside of it, and I just hold it in a position that it's open. I turn the water on and let it fill up. And there I'm at, perfect. Now I'm going to pour this into the bag. Didn't spill a drop. I'm going to use the Easy Pro Universal Mixer. Slide that down inside the bag, and I'm going to mix for about 20 seconds. You don't want to tip the bag too much because it'll pour out on the floor. Just keep it straight up and down. You don't want to go too fast. Just a nice easy speed and let it mix. Now I'm going to pull the mixer out, and I want to look at the texture and see if it looks like it's well mixed. If I'm seeing any type of clumps or lumps in there, I would want to remix it, but it looks really good right now. And the same thing goes as you're putting it on the wall. If you start to spray and you see a couple of lumps, no problem. Just go back, grab your mixer, mix it a little bit more, you're good to go. So now I've got my texture mixed. I'm going to use the Easy Pro double spout so that now I'm capped up in that larger spout, and I've got the small spout that attaches to my gun. So we got done spraying our texture on the wall and a little bit on me. We got the Easy Pro knockdown blade. And so what we're going to do is we're going to feel for that high rounded edge on the backside. That's what you want up against the wall. So just finger light, we just want to run this over, and I'm not even waiting for it to dry. That quick, we're knocking it down. So now we're going to work on a tip that really is going to make the difference between you having a good repair and a great repair. And what I'm talking about is that we've shot knockdown over the top of this existing knockdown. Anything that you spray texture with, whether it's the hopper, whether it's an aerosol can, or whether it's our product, has the natural effect of casting out little overspray or drips out to the side. I can't tell you how many times I've seen a patch and you could see those drips that were painted over. The difference in a good job and a great job is getting rid of those little drips. And so what we're doing here is we're wiping off the flat surface of the knockdown, and we're blending back into where we've shot texture. So you see we have a patch right here, and we're knocking, I'm going to use a different term, we're wiping away all that overspray, and we're blending the old texture into the new. So as you can see, I'm ramping up from the old texture right up into the new texture, and just lightly going over it and blending the two. Now I've got a lot of work here because I've got all these patches to do, but to do a really great job, I got to go around every one of them. So here we are just finishing up with JV Paint with Josh and Miguel. We had a great day today. We shot some texture and we're letting that dry. They're getting prepped for paint. I've got another opportunity for everybody out there. All my tradesmen and all my pros and contractors and even my DIYers who would be interested in coming in and helping us do an evaluation of our product and a couple of others, a comparison. We would like to provide you with compensation, also like to buy you dinner and send you home with some product. So if that sounds interesting to you, down below in the description, you're going to find an email address that's info@easyprotexture.com. Please send us an email, let us know your contact info and that you might be interested, and we'll get it set up and come and have a meal with us and check out the products. We finished here with JV Paint today. Everybody's really pleased with the outcome. We got some texture on the walls. We got it painted. It looks great. And I want to offer the same opportunity to everybody out there. We want to come to your home, your office, and we want to do a repair up to 3 by 3 foot area. And we'll do that for free, no cost to you. We want a video and we want to show what we can do to make your job easy with Easy Pro Texture. Hey, click here to watch videos on our other products and other instructional videos and how to use them.